What is your daily routine? Think for yourself in your mind. What do you do when you get up early morning? You get up in the morning, you get ready, you go to work, then you come back and relax, then you spend time with your family, then have food and go to sleep. That's it. And what are your expectations from life? You want to become successful in life, right? You want to give a rich and luxurious life to your children. But how can you give a rich and luxurious life to your children with this kind of a daily routine? If you want to give something good to your children, first you have to do something good for yourself. And then after following this kind of a routine for years together, you start blaming people around you, for your incompetence and failure, right? But if you want something different from life, you have to first do something different in your routine. You have to change your daily routine and make it more productive to become rich and successful. Today I'm going to give you the world's most expensive things. That is called time. 24 hours. Rich and successful people have 24 hours with them. Even we have 24 hours with us. Then have you ever thought that why those people have become rich and successful and why we are not recognized by people? Why we are not rich and successful like them? People don't even know us. People don't even know our existence. Why this happens? The only reason behind this is time. Rich and successful people use their time very efficiently and very productively. And that makes them rich and successful. Today I'm going to give you some time management techniques which if you will follow from today onwards, within 2 years of time, you'll surely reach a great heights in life. You'll surely achieve the success that you have planned for yourself. The first principle is the Pareto principle, or it is also called as 80-20 rule. Identify that 20% of work, identify those 20% habits, identify those 20% things, 20% tasks that you do every day that will give you 80% results. People generally say that 100% focus and 100% dedication, 100% of hard work, and then you get 100% results. I say no. You have to concentrate on those 20% things, out of which you can grab 80% results. So you have to work for 20% and you should get 80% results. So focus on those 20% things that you do every day. That will give you 80% results. Then those things will be anything like exercising or meditating or reading or following something. Those things can be anything. But identify those 20% things for yourself right itself now, today itself. Those things will give you 80% results. So you have to obtain 80% results from 20% things. So remember this. The next principle, time matrix. Now there are some things, those are important, some things, those are urgent. There are some things which are not important and some things which are not urgent. So according to their importance and urgency, you have to prioritize things that you do every day. So the things those are important and urgent, you have to do them immediately. Things which are important and not urgent, then you can decide for yourself whether to do it immediately or whether to reschedule it, whatever according to your wish. Then there are those things which are not important but they are urgent. Then you have to do those things quickly. Then there are other things which are not important also and they are not urgent also. You can either avoid those things or cancel them or reschedule them according to your wish. But you have to prioritize every task, everything that you do every day according to their importance and urgency. So many times what happens, we do those things which are not urgent, like spending time on social media. Not urgent things, but we do them. We give more priority to those things. Like even if we are writing something or reading something and if you get a WhatsApp message, you immediately stop your reading and writing and immediately open that WhatsApp message and see whose it is and what it is. So at that time you have given importance to that WhatsApp message instead of reading and writing, which was not urgent, right? Yeah, if it is urgent sometimes you can go for it. But you have to prioritize your things according to their importance and urgency. Remember that. The next principle is You have to set a trigger in life. Now, I've talked about this even in one of my earlier videos. Like, every person should set a trigger in life. You have to always be on fire. You have to always be on wheels to get things done. Set your goals. Dream big. And fulfill those dreams. Complete those goals. So set a trigger in life, and set that kind of a trigger in life, which if you do not get, which if you do not complete, it is going to affect your life badly. So if there is such kind of a situation, you will surely run behind that goal, surely run behind that dream to get it done. So always set a trigger in life. The next principle is do tough and difficult tasks early morning to remain stress-free for the entire day. We generally tend to postpone the difficult and tough tough and difficult tasks for the afternoon or for the evening, or sometimes we even postpone it to the next day, and don't do that. Complete all the important and tough and difficult things early morning so that you can be fresh and energetic and, most important, stress-free for the remaining day. The next principle is plan everything on paper. Do not think in air. Do not plan in air. Things that you plan in air, they just vanish away. So whatever goals and dreams you plan, you put them on the paper immediately, and then plan and start executing them. So planning everything on paper is very, very important. The next thing is time blocking. Now put everything on your calendar. You can download Google Calendar and put everything onto that calendar and start completing those tasks one after the other every day. So use a good calendar, practice time blocking, set aside a time for every task, for everything that you do every day, and then put every task onto the calendar and start executing them according to the importance and urgency again. So these are some of the principles, some time management techniques that if you will start following from today, within 2 years of time, you will surely reach your goals. You will surely achieve the dreams and the success that you have thought for yourself. So think about these principles that I've told you. Think about the daily routine that you follow and start making changes in your daily routine. That is very, very important. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video and if you think that this video will create a difference in your life, then do subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you think that this video will also create a difference in the life of other people, then share this video to maximum people you know, your friends, your family, your relatives, your social media friends. Share it to everyone so that people will know about these different kinds of skills and different kinds of self-development habits, so that people will also benefit out of all these videos. And also hit the bell icon so that you get updated with all the videos that I put on into this channel. Thank you.